All right, we made it home. Jon just finished helping me unload the truck. He did most of it, not gonna lie. They had their bottle. Now I'm going to start unloading. It's rainy, so I can't go and set up the tarp and tent outside to dry off. So hopefully tomorrow's nice. I haven't even looked at the weather. I don't even know where my phone is. But we're home. Alright, so I totally forgot to film me like unloading and everything, but so far there's laundry going. I do have a bunch of like dishes and stuff I brought home from camping that I'm gonna do next. I've pulled out meat for dinner. I've unloaded the cooler. Almost all the totes are unpacked except for that one, which is next. I'm just finishing washing out the cooler. The boys are napping. They were fed. They had Cheerios and whatnot. Now I'm going to finish unpacking, do the dishes, and hopefully maybe jump in a shower before they wake up. The shower is a little bit hopeful. Dishes are done, the tote is done. I just need Jon to carry it downstairs for me. I have meat defrosting. I'm gonna go take a shower because I have about 20 minutes before I need to get the boys up, and they're still very much asleep, which is great. So the boys are up. They are just eating their dinner and they are getting super messy, which is totally okay because I knew I was giving them a bath. They're having cream of wheat with peanut butter and some other stuff. They have these because I just put some organic baby oil in them, which is basically coconut oil, because their scalps were super dry and they had not, so I brushed them out. Cool dude. Cool dude. Yeah, you're almost all done. So they're gonna go in the tub as soon as my pasta is done cooking for my dinner, and then we're gonna get slowly into bed. My goal is to have them in bed at 7. What do you think? Do you love camping or do you love being at home? Oh, you like being messy? Don't put it in your eyes, please. Ezra? Avery, are you all done? You're not nearly as messy as your brother. Avery, are you done? How did you get so messy?